The Saint-Gobain Group, with its presence in more than 75 countries, is a global leader in high-performance materials. Our expertly designed system, with strong R&D investments worldwide, are focused on the most sustainable products for the waste energy sector, enabling the production of environmentally friendly power. Our customized solutions for waste energy are based on a simple and robust design to ensure easy and fast installation with minimum trades. T-Clip Pro is an advanced system developed and patented over decades of experience and expertise. It provides superior oxidization resistance, high thermal conductivity, and the fastest installation time. The T-Clip Pro system comes with a strict minimum of components comprising of only 4 parts: tile, anchor, backfill, and an expansion gasket. T-Clip installation process. After fitting the anchors and adjustable washers in place, the T-Clip tile is bonded with the expansion gasket provided and is now ready to be mounted onto the anchors. Insert the second expansion gasket in the vertical spaces between the tiles. Once the row of tiles are in position, backfill the tiles with the Refractories Plus Flow castable. Refractories Plus Flow is self-leveling and will completely fill the spaces behind the tiles. The patented T-Clip Pro system ensures a longer life, fewer shutdowns, resulting in longer burning campaigns and higher energy production. It can be employed across many furnace areas, including slanted ceiling tubes, charge zone sidewalks, lower grate lining, combustion areas, and first pass. Complementing the T-Clip Pro system are the super heater shields made from supercast refracts that limit the effects of corrosion and ash accumulation. The Saint-Gobain range of products also include high-performance monolithics that are highly resistant to boiler conditions. These can be in the form of castable, gunning, ramming, and plastic. At Saint-Gobain, we're committed to ensuring that our activities, our employees, and our partners are jointly involved in building a more sustainable and inclusive world. Benefit from Saint-Gobain's waste-to-energy solutions, now enhancing performances across the world.